Welcome guys. In this video you're going to learn about the new Google storage policy that affects Google Drive and Google Photos. So over here is an article that was written by the staff at Google Workspace. Please note that this will not take effect until June 1, 2021. There are two major points in this new rule. The first one is in Google Photos, any new pictures or videos uploaded to Google Photos will now count towards your storage. Currently, only photos and videos uploaded in original quality count toward storage. As for the second point, any Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drawings, Forms, and Jamboard files will also count toward your storage limits. Currently, all of these files do not count toward your storage, but starting on June 1, 2021, they will. Please note that any of these files that were made before June 1, 2021 will not count towards storage unless you edit them on or after June 1, 2021. Currently, these changes will apply to all customers that have Google Workspace and G Suite, meaning that anyone who has a gmail.com account for now will not be affected. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.